Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 3D circle in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make a 3D circle. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu and select the circle shape. Then draw this shape. Now we want to make this circle 3D. Go to the shape format menu, click the shape effect and go to 3D rotation and rotate this shape any 3D style. Now we can see we make a 3D circle this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.